in the BJP regime, there are a lot of scams which has been done. So investigation is on. We wanted to reply in the assembly. They tried to stop us. But CM in his written speech, and he had given a detailed reply, how many scams has happened, how it has happened. Of course, 89 crores some officers has been misused, and investigation is on. Already some 40 crores have been recovered. SIT is taking an investigation. Now ED, CBI has entered. We said we are not able to stop them. They have right to come. I know the law of this country as CBI. After some financial numbers, they can come. Let them do it. But now we wanted to expose all those things. They did not allow us to reply. So Honorable CM replied it anything. He said that he is going to, already investigations was going on, very big number. All MLAs, ministers, including Yediyurappa and Bommai time regime, all these things has happened. It has been come out. The investigation will go on. We don't want to intervene with the investigation.
Sir, the case was handed over to the CID, sir, the Bowie scam. So they have made the first arrest. Even though there has been 3 FIRs registered and over 85 victims, why so late that the victims are getting justice? Because the money has still not been repaid to the government of Karnataka.
See, I don't know about the internal investigation part. I know investigation is going on, what action is going on. I've been seeing in the media. But I am telling you, because of the most corrupt government of the BJP, people have elected us. We will prove that they have been cheated the scheduled caste, the backward class and all sections of the society.